It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. How important is vitamin D for dogs? When it comes to keeping our dogs healthy, we're tempted to focus on the basics. Exercise, vaccinations, flea and parasite treatments, and regular checkups. However, one vital component that is sometimes overlooked is nutrition. A balanced diet consists of many components, which are classified into macronutrients and micronutrients. Micronutrients include vitamins, including vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. How important is this vitamin for canine health? Let's answer this question. What is vitamin D and where does it come from? A good starting point is to answer this question. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D, like all other vitamins, is an essential compound for life. So, where does it come from? To answer this question, it's important to consider that there are two different types of vitamin D. Vitamin D3, which is produced in the body, and vitamin D2, which is found in plants. Generally, the term vitamin D refers to both. Vitamin D3 is also produced in the skin in response to sun exposure. With adequate sun exposure, most mammals are theoretically capable of producing enough vitamin D this way to meet daily needs. However, research suggests that this rarely occurs in dogs, due to differences in the levels of chemical precursors in the skin and, of course, the dense UV-blocking coat of most breeds. As a result, most of their vitamin D will come from their diet. Most complete and balanced commercial dog foods are supplemented with vitamin D due to the risk of deficiency in domestic pets. Foods rich in vitamin D include liver, fatty fish such as salmon, egg yolks, and dairy products. So, if most commercial diets are adequately supplemented, which dogs are at risk for deficiency? In most cases, the only dogs at risk for vitamin D deficiency are those on unbalanced raw or homemade diets. In addition to inadequate dietary intake, certain diseases can interfere with vitamin D absorption and production, including malabsorption disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease and exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. These problems reduce the amount of vitamin D available for absorption. Chronic kidney disease. Since the kidney is responsible for activating vitamin D, diseases that affect it can impair its ability to convert it into its active form. Monitoring and controlling vitamin D status in dogs with chronic kidney disease can be critical. Liver disease. Like kidney disease, liver disease can affect vitamin D metabolism. Function of vitamin D. Vitamin D is required for numerous bodily processes. In particular, it is necessary for bone health. Vitamin D facilitates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, two essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. Immune system regulation. Vitamin D is necessary for a healthy immune system. It helps regulate the immune response, improving the body's ability to fight infections and reducing inappropriate inflammation. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin D is necessary for both heart and vascular health. Neurological function. Although less well established, vitamin D may play a role in supporting cognitive function and maintaining neurological health, especially in older dogs. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency in dogs can have significant health consequences, especially in growing puppies and older pets. Common symptoms include skeletal deformities in puppies, muscle weakness or lethargy, poor growth or weight gain, bone pain or fractures, delayed tooth eruption, seizures or tremors in severe cases due to low calcium levels. Excess vitamin D toxicity. While deficiency is concerning, excessive vitamin D intake can be equally dangerous. Excess vitamin D can result from the following: oversupplementation, ingestion of rodenticides containing vitamin D, e.g., some types of rat poison. Vitamin D toxicity can cause hypercalcemia, elevated calcium levels. This can cause serious damage to the kidneys, heart, and other organs. Vomiting and diarrhea, loss of appetite, increased thirst and urination, muscle tremors or seizures, kidney failure in severe cases. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.